remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances. Finesse a nigga with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant lips, in fact I'm down in this. You say with my boo babe, tastes like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy your Westie world with my base stuff. Ooh, that pussy good, won't you?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka PB Fitness, coming at y'all with another fitness video slash vlog. Okay, what I eat in a day slash full day of eating. Okay, so y'all know, man. I give y'all what y'all need, man. That's the videos I do. I based off, like, I look at comments, I read them, comment back and all that. You know, it's because I do this all for y'all, so it's whatever y'all want. So y'all asked for this video, so I'm giving it to y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all what I eat throughout the whole day, you know, to stay shredded. You know what I'm saying? Like, get shredded, man. We trying to get shredded, man. Feel me? All right, so let's get it. All right, y'all. So first off, man, what I do in the morning, because I just woke up. It's early in the morning. What time is it right now? It's 7:35. I normally eat around this time. I eat around 7:15, 7:30-ish. So I'm a little 5 minutes late, but it's all right. But I always eat early in the morning. So what I do before I eat, though, is I weigh myself. And then I weigh myself at night. So that's what we about to do right now. We're going to weight ourselves to see what we weighed in. It's always important to weight yourself, find out, you know, how much you weigh and all that too. So right here, okay, I'm gonna put this down so we can get our accurate weight. Weigh myself. We weighed in at 198 on the dot. Okay, 198. So that's what we weighed in at. Now we about to go in the kitchen, and this is meal number 1. But as you guys know, I do not count my macros at all. I don't count macros. What macros is you pretty much monitoring the carbohydrates, the you know, how much protein, fat, all that. I don't do that. You know what I'm saying? I really don't do that. I just go by the day, eat light, eat lean, and that's about it. Okay, if you guys want me to start counting my macros in one day, I will, though. You know, I got the Fitness Pal, the app, and my phone and all that. I can do that, but I choose not to. It's working good for me. I just eyeball everything, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so just let me know if y'all want me to do that on the next video or whatever. I will count my macros just so it can add all up and you guys can know how much calories I ate in the day and all that. But I just eyeball everything. But anyway, let's go to the kitchen. All right, y'all, so we in the kitchen right now. In the kitchen right here. So y'all can see I got all the food right there for breakfast. This is what I eat, all on the counter. Okay, may seem like a lot, but it's not. As you can see, I go high on the protein, man. Like, I go high on the protein. We got our oatmeal right here. Always good to eat your oatmeal. You need your oats. We got our Forza Pro, 30 grams of protein in this. Every scoop, 1 serving. I use my ground cinnamon. I use Thrifty Bee. This right here is honey. We got our whole blueberries, frozen blueberries, our fruit. Then we got our Almond Breeze right there. And this right here is 8 ounces glass right here. I pour my Almond Breeze in. So banana too. I can put it in there. So I'm gonna whip this up right now. And we gonna eat breakfast. This is our first meal of the day.
I get way too petty once you let me do the extras. Pull up on your block, then break it down. We playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM funk. Piss out your per diem, you just gotta hate them funk. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes funk. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep. Bit on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble.
Alright, y'all, so this is meal number 1, breakfast. Got my oatmeal. We got my 2 rice cakes and my 8 ounce of almond milk, Almond Breeze. All right, let's eat up.
Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble.
All right, YouTube. So we done with our first meal today. It is now 8:12. Perfect timing. As you see, in the morning I'm pretty much high on the protein, medium on the carbs, and also high on the fruits, on my fruits. Bananas is good for you. Blueberries good for you. What I kind of slack on in the morning is my veggies, but it's okay because I'm doing veggies for lunch and dinner, you feel me? So, gotta have your plan, but yeah, that's pretty much it for my breakfast. Let's get started with the day. All right, YouTube, so it is now 10:15, and that means it's time for me to run some errands, man. I eat lunch normally like around 11 something, but I got an appointment at 10:30. Haircut, man. Well, not a haircut, a shape up. So I'm about to shape these things up, man. My sides and all, y'all know, man. My sides is killing me, man. So it's time for a shape up. I haven't had a shape up in about, I say, 5 weeks since the haircut. So it's definitely time for a shape up. So we about to go get a shape up real fast. Then I'm gonna come back home. Actually, I gotta wash the car and all that too. So come on, y'all come with me, man. We handle that. Then we gonna come back home and eat.
Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he frontin' on that man? Get the fuck off my stage.
Ass up, yeah. Light that ass up. Can't stop my shine, boy. I light that ass up. Light 'em up. Light that ass up. I shine so bright, boy. I light that ass up. I'm in the fast lane, burnt out. Pedal to the metal with your bitch getting turned out. Straight savage, ain't nothing but my life average. Haters running off at the mouth about how I'm blowing cabbage. I give a fuck about a hater, I'ma keep shining. My pinky ring and light 'em up with all them pink diamonds. Until a nigga hit the grave, I'ma keep grinding. Since a kid, all I wanna be is big diamonds.
I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride. Show me.
All right, just got plugged in. Leaving the barbershop. It is now, actually my watch tripping right now. What time? It is now 12:11. Like I said, I normally eat lunch around 11:30. But you know, I had stuff to do. An appointment with him, with Wavy Keys right here, the barber, you feel me?
Drink more water.
You know what I'm saying?
Stay hydrated. It's about to be hot out here, bro.
You know what I mean? Hot out here in California. But first, before we go to the house, I need to wash my car because my car is extra dirty, so we'll wash the car, go to the house,
spell wavy on your
go to meal
window,
two.
nigga.
Yeah.
Wavy.
Meal 2 coming soon, man.
Something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still take you down right on your mama couch in polo sock. Ayy, this shit way too crazy. Ayy, you do not amaze me. Ayy, I blew cool from ACA. Obama just page me. Ayy, I don't fabricate it. Ayy, most of y'all be faking. Ayy, I stay modest about it. Ayy, she elaborated. Ayy, this that great poupon.
All right, YouTube. So the car clean now. It is now 12:52. I just parked at my at home. About to go in the house, make my second meal of the day, and it's 12:52. I normally do it at 11, man. I'm kind of late on my meals, but it's for y'all, so let's get it.
The AV on that TED Talk. Ayy, watch my soul speak. You let the meds talk. Ayy, if I kill a nigga, it won't be the alcohol. Ayy, I'm the real.
All right, so for lunch, I eat a different variety of things, but today for lunch I decided to eat just a regular sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Turkey ham, turkey bologna, turkey pastrami. Probably just do each of them, probably like 2 each, so it'll be six 6 slices. Get some good meat, get protein in. Also, you know, you got your veggies right here, romaine, lettuce, you got cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise, lightly, onions, no tomato. We don't have any tomato. I normally put tomato on it, but you know, I gotta go to the store to get some. But it's all good, man, without the tomato. But I normally use tomato. And then also some chips, a little bit of chips, about like 6 or 7 chips. You know, so that's about it. That's my lunch. Very simple, very good.
This nigga after all, bitch, be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down.
Oh yeah, y'all. Also, y'all know my other video, meal prep video. This is the bread I use right here. By Oral Wheat. It's sandwich thins. 100 calories a serving. So each one is 100 calories. Actually, a serving. So both is 100 calories total. So 50-50. 170 grams of sodium. We have 4 grams of protein. You know, straight 100 calories. This is what I recommend other than bread. You know, unless you're trying to bulk up, then you would eat regular bread or some thicker bread. But if you're trying to stay lean or whatever, sandwich thins is the way to go.
Be humble, bitch, sit down. Be humble, sit down. Be humble, sit down. Be humble, sit down. Be humble, bitch, sit down. Be humble, sit down.
Y'all, so this how we looking. Sandwich, chips, you know. Don't beat yourself up too much, man. You want something, eat it, but just eat a little bit of it. Alright?
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I
Try to drink a gallon of water a day, okay? A gallon. Just, as you can see, it's noon right now, and I drunk almost half a gallon already. So, about time, I say about 2 more hours from now, this will be gone.
just need the time and place to.
Alright. That was delicious though. Simple, light, lean, and delicious though. Oh, excuse me, sorry. So yeah, now I'm about to get a brush session in, a good brush session in. I'm also doing another video too as well. That y'all see that, it's coming up soon. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on that. Dope video. So I'm about to record that video right now too. Do a little bit of editing. Wait for the last meal of the day, which is dinner. Okay, the third meal of the day. But if I get a little hungry, sometimes in between lunch and dinner, like after lunch, I'll still get hungry. Being that I eat lunch at 11 and then I eat dinner like around 6. That's a long, that's kind of a long span period of time. So in between that gap, I eat something like a protein bar or something like that. So I don't know, if I get a little hungry, I'll make sure I add that too. Also, later on, before the video is over, I'm gonna weigh myself so you guys can see the difference between this morning, how much I weighed, and now the difference between how much I weigh now. Alright, YouTube, so it is now 5:06. I normally eat dinner like around anywhere between 6 and 7 o'clock. I go to sleep around 10, so that I can at least get a 3-hour time like span for my my food to digest. never go to sleep with food in you. You want to make sure that your food is digested before you lay down, okay? That's how you get fat. So I make sure that I eat like 3 hours prior from resting or whatever. So I went, by the way, to Starbucks. Sometimes I get Starbucks decaf. This right here is called a coconut milk mocha macchiato right here. And this is a decaf. I don't know how many calories it is, but it shouldn't be that much calories. It's just decaf. Also have dark chocolate in it and coconut milk, iced coffee. So I'm about to eat that in between right now before dinner. Dinner is at 6. It's now 5. So by the time I drink this and eat this right here, this Quest bar, delicious. This right here is the oatmeal chocolate chip protein bar by Quest. 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. That's it. Fire. Great snack. So snack. All right, this should hold me cool until dinner. After that, we're gonna be straight. So
come through. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you.
Okay, y'all, so for the next meal, it is tacos, chicken tacos, man. So tacos, got it boiling right now. We do a chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. What we doing right now, we whipping it up, wait for it to boil all the way, and then from there, it's time to eat. Season I use, Mrs. Dash. As you guys know, Mrs. Dash. So I'm using the lemon pepper one and extra spicy one. This right here, no calories, no salts, it's salt free. You know, flavor is real light. Everything real light, man. Let's see how I'm looking. Okay, almost done. Yes, sir. Burrito good? Yeah. All right, so look, I decided to me and my son decided to eat burritos instead. So I got 2 small burritos with some lettuce on the side. Lettuce inside too as well. We got lettuce inside. We have onions, tomato, and a little bit of cheese. So more lettuce right here. Some veggies, you need more veggies. And being that this is a small tortilla, you can't really fit too many veggies in there. So let's put some more veggies on the side with shredded chicken on top. That's it. This is meal number 3. All right, so I'm about to eat this food. Then we're gonna go in the bathroom and then see how much you weighed in after all that food I ate. All right. You know, we weighed in earlier. We was 198. We'll see after the last meal how much you weighed in after that. All right.
Sometimes I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall, but you gathered my attention. It was all for you. So don't take advantage. Don't leave my heart down.
Okay, so we weighing in at 202.8. So that means we gained about 4 pounds, almost 5 pounds. That'll be going by the morning. But I just ate though, and I'm getting on the scale right after I ate. I always do that though, just to see how I'm doing, and you know, just to check my weight. But in the morning I'll be 198 again. But yeah, man, that's my 4-day of eating video. You know, y'all was with me the whole day. Sorry the video was pretty long. You know, I know it was long, man. I know. But, you know, sorry. You feel me? But that's a 4-day of eating. That's what I eat in a day. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video like this. You know, I will start counting my macros more often. You know, I don't do it, but You know, if you guys want me to do it, I will as well. But with that said, man, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Your boy Poppy Blasted, PB Fitness, signing out, man. Y'all have a good day.
Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location.